Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how to set up gift cards in Shopify. The use case of gift cards is that you can create a product in Shopify. Customers can purchase that gift card and they can gift that gift card, basically give that gift card to their friends and family. And basically gift card contains a discount code. For example, there's a gift card worth 1,000 rupees or $1,000, but I'm dealing in PKR, so I'm giving the example of PKR. So a gift card contains a discount of 1,000 PKR, and it contains a discount code. When someone has a gift card, he or she enters that uh, uh, code at the checkout, and he or she gets the discount. So that's how it works. And also, as a store owner, you can give incentives to a customer who is very loyal to you. You can create a gift, basically code, and then send your to your customer so that he or she can avail it. So I will show you the both methods and how they actually work. So to do this, you have to click on products, and then you have to click on gift cards. Okay, the option is very easy. So I've already created a gift card before the tutorial, so you will be seeing some deactivated gift card. But if you haven't created the gift card before, you will see two options: add gift card product or create gift card. So basically, these are the only two options. Also, there are some apps for this purpose, but as a basic concept, you don't need any app. Okay, for advanced, like for example, loyalty cards or something like this, or loyalty points, there are apps, and a lot of apps. Basically, they are advanced stuff, but currently for the basic concept, this tutorial will be enough for you. So first I will explain create gift card. For example, you are creating a gift card so that you can give it to some customer. So you will create click on create gift card, and here you will have the option that you can change the code also, but I will make sure that I just copy this code. Okay, and you want to create a gift card which is worth like 1,500 rupees. Okay, and so you can create an expiry date or you can not set an expiry date, it's up to you. But for some countries there are laws that you have to set an expiry date. Okay, so check with your country. You can set expiry date like 2020, I think it's enough. Okay, so you can also add a customer email so that you can directly send him the email that hey, this is the code you can use. So I will use my own email so that I can do the testing, and you can add a note. Hey, hello, thanks for your loyalty. Here's a gift card for you. You can redeem the discount by entering the code at checkout. Okay. So something like this. Okay, so I will click on done and I will click on save. So this customer, like me, I'm the customer, I will receive the gift card on my email. Or you have the option, you can send the gift card obviously to an email, or you can copy the code and send to your customer directly. Okay, so let me check my email first. So I've checked my email, I haven't received the code yet, so I will make sure to send the gift card. Okay, I have to click send gift card. Okay, otherwise this email won't be sent. So from test store for YouTube, and this is how it will look. It's look cool. Send email. Okay, you have to enter, press this button. Okay, so let's see if I have received the email or not. Okay, I have received this email from test store for YouTube, from which I send the gift card, and this is 1,500 PKR gift card and expires 22 November 2020, and this is the gift card code. Okay, so let's see if I can avail the discount or not. I will open the store. For example, I have opened this store. Let's add this product just as product. So as a customer, I have received the gift card from the store owner, and I'm trying to check whether it works or not. I will click on buy now. Okay, sorry, this is for another affiliate product, just for testing. I have, by the way, I have made a separate video for the affiliate products, how you can redirect the product to a new page. You please make sure to check it out. So I will click on buy now because that wasn't the right example. So we are at the checkout, and let's try to add the discount card or gift card. Okay, So when you will create the gift card, you will see this option in the checkout. Otherwise, you will only see the option discount code. Now you are seeing discount code or gift card. That's what I have observed. So yeah, let's click on apply and see if the we yes, we have got the 1500 rupees discount. So I think we don't need to complete this test order. It's checked. Okay, so the second approach is to create the gift product and add it to a collection or homepage anywhere you want. So for example, you will the second option is add gift card product. Customers can purchase a gift card product and send to their friends and family whatever they want. So we will do the checkout for this product just to make sure that it works fine. So gift card 2000 EKR. Okay, so avail this limited time offer, just a marketing uh, gimmick. Okay, so I will add a media. So yeah, so I've added the media. I've just downloaded this image from. So you can also add the denomination. Like you can create multiple discounts in a or you can say variations in a single product. So we don't need to add 2000 rupees. Just create the denomination here. Sorry, I just forgot that Shopify has this amazing functionality for gift card. So 1000, 1500. So I will show you how it actually works. 1500, 2000, and 2500. Okay, okay, no, we don't need to add anything else. So we can also add meta field, but it's okay. Yeah, I think we don't need to do anything else. So you already know how you can add this product to a collection. So I will just show you how this product actually looks like. Make sure if you create a gift card, add it to a menu item or in collection. So it's very important. Currently, we are not concerned about how we can add it to a collection or something. We are only concerned how this actually works. So we will click on preview how this product actually looks like. So as you can see, this is how this works. So ignore this image. This is taken from the internet. So gift card is this is the first variation. You can say 1000, 15, or 2000. So I want to give. So sorry, this is by default. You should email it. 2000 rupees. I want to purchase this gift card for 2000 rupees, and there is no description, unfortunately. Unfortunately, so avail this limited time offer, very basic description, but you can send it to my email. Basically, you are purchasing the gift card for yourself, like you are saving for the future. That in the future, when the store will offer the sale, or you can say Christmas sale, Black Friday sale, or Eid sale, Holy sale, I will avail this gift card. Or there is second option, you can send this gift card to someone else. I will purchase it for myself. I would be loyal to myself. Okay, so I will click on buy it now, and transaction failed. Check is going to be technical problems. Okay, let's see. So I have added to it to my email. So once I will purchase this product, it will be added to my email. I will show it. It will show in my email. I can also send it to my friend. So this email will be sent like we received previously. So we are currently purchasing for ourselves. Click on checkout, and okay, I've got the issue why the checkout is not working. This is actually a preview. I've not opened the actual store, so I will make sure to open the actual one. No, not something like this. Okay, so make sure that you when you are testing, you should open the real store, not the preview, because in preview sometimes the checkout don't work. So let's see. Okay, now I have opened the real store, and now search. Let's search for the product because we haven't added to the menu item yet. Oh, it is available here. So let's click on gift card, and I will purchase 2000 gift card for my own self, not for some friend like recipient email. So I will click on buy it now. I will go straight to the checkout. Okay, 2000 rupees. This is for 2000 rupees. gift card I'm purchasing for myself. Okay, so I will do a bogus transaction just to do the testing, not the real transaction. Okay, so okay, card number is one, expiry date is like 2026. Okay, okay, oh, sorry. Security code is 111. This is a test transaction. I will click on pay now. Ahmad. Okay, so I will add this detail as well. Click on pay now, and this will do the transaction. We will see whether the order is done or not. I will also check in the order panel whether the uh, this thing is done or not. So let's see. Yeah, the order is done. It is fulfilled. Okay, so now I will check my email. Okay, I have received this email test store for YouTube, and the order is placed. Order is confirmed. Thank you for your purchase. You will receive separate emails for any gift card. Okay, so the order is done, but the store owner hasn't sent me the, you can say, the code yet for the gift card. So 2000 discount code is not sent me. I have not received this code. So it is responsibility of the store owner to send this code within 1 to 2 days. Okay, so I'm still waiting. As a customer that I haven't received the code, I have purchased the gift card, so the code is very important. So now, as a store owner, I know that I have received the order of a gift card. So what I will do? Okay, let me show you step by step. So this is the order that I received. Now I will go to products. Okay, okay, and then I will go to gift cards. So I will go to gift cards. Okay, as a store owner, I know that I have received the order of gift card. So it is already active. As you can see, 2000 is active. So I will click on it. This is the gift card. Okay, so I will make sure to send the code to this customer. Okay, so send the gift card. Now I will click on. So as you can see, this code is generated automatically. So I can't see this code. Send gift card. So this is a gift card that will be sent to the customer that purchased this. Okay, so send email. So for example, if you purchase this gift card for your friend, the friend will receive the email that you have received the 2000 pkr gift card. After some time they will receive your friend will receive the code. Okay, this is how this thing works. This is the responsibility of the store owner. When someone purchases a gift card or gives to their friend, you should send the email as soon as possible. So I will click on send email. So as a store owner, my responsibility is done. Anyone can with the code can avail this discount now. So let's see if I receive email as a customer. So finally, I have received the email from store owner 2000 PKR. This is the gift card that can be redeemed online, and every any customer who basically enters this code, he or she can avail the 2000 PKR discount. This is how the gift card works. I hope the things are clear. I have explained everything in detail. I have watched other YouTube videos, so there was something missing. I have made sure that I cover everything related to this concept. So thank you very much, and let me know if there is an issue.